So you might be in a random situation where for some reason your Instagram recovery code just isn't working. So maybe Instagram is sending you a recovery code like this, but for some reason the code itself isn't working and it's sending to your email, but it's just not working no matter what you do. Now, the first thing we recommend doing is to go through and just double check you're checking the right email address. Right at the very top, it'll show you a sample of your email. So go through and make sure you're typing in the right email address, because sometimes that can basically be the main problem you might be running into there. Now, if that's not also working, if you're verified that you're in the right email, try getting on the Get a New Code pop-up that comes up right over here. If you're able to type in and basically get that new code that comes up here, that can also probably end up fixing the problem for some people as well. And that's another really easy thing you can do. So just try tapping on Get a New Code and try getting a new code there. Now, if that's not working either, you can also try updating the Instagram application. So go right inside of your device here on your App Store, search up for Instagram, just like this. And all you're going to want to do here is basically just update the Instagram application. Majority of the time, if you're running into this type of problem, just simply updating that Instagram application can probably end up fixing the problem for you too. So that's basically how you do it. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that will mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.